Over 50? Eat this to rebuild your leg muscles fast. Picture this. You're out in the garden, pulling weeds, when suddenly your legs start shaking after just a few minutes of squatting. Some of you might notice it while cooking, standing at the stove for 20 minutes and your legs feel heavy, almost begging for a chair. This slow loss of strength creeps up on us after 50. One day you're moving easily, the next you're questioning why simple activities feel like uphill battles. Now imagine this. What if just 4 simple foods, when eaten together, could help restore that steady strength in your legs? Just a handful of ingredients you can pick up at any local store. That's what I want to share with you today. A powerful super combo that could bring energy back into your steps, endurance into your legs, and confidence into your daily movements. But first, let's talk about why legs weaken in the first place, because once you understand the cause, the solution makes perfect sense. Inside our body, sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, starts in the 30s and speeds up after 50. But weak legs aren't just about age. They often come from poor circulation and missing nutrients. Muscles work like engines. Protein is the fuel, calcium and magnesium are spark plugs, iron and B12 carry oxygen, and omega-3s keep them running smoothly. If one is missing, the system struggles. Low protein slows repair, weak circulation blocks delivery, lack of minerals makes contractions shaky, and without iron, B12, or omega-3s, legs feel heavy, tired, and slow to recover. That's why walking, squatting, or lifting bags becomes harder. Muscles aren't old, they're undernourished. And this is where food becomes the strongest medicine, whole foods that bring everything back into balance. Meet the leg strength superfood combo: Greek yogurt, walnuts, dates, and chia seeds. At first glance, these foods might look unrelated, but together, they act like a team of specialists, each one covering the weakness of the other. When combined, these 4 foods give your legs exactly what they're missing: structure, circulation, energy, and endurance. It's like assembling a strong construction crew. One pours the foundation, another keeps the power lines running, another fuels the workers, and the last maintains the site day after day. That's how this combo works for your legs. Now, let's break each food down in detail. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is your muscle repair master. Unlike regular yogurt, it's strained, which means it's packed with nearly double the protein. Just 1 cup can provide about 20 grams of high-quality protein. But protein isn't its only gift. Greek yogurt is loaded with calcium, keeping your muscle contractions strong and your bones sturdy. Without calcium, your legs are prone to cramps and weakness. It also carries vitamin B12, essential for healthy nerves. This ensures the signals from your brain reach your legs clearly, so you don't feel clumsy or unsteady. 2. Walnuts. Think of walnuts as your blood flow boosters. They're one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation inside your muscles. Less inflammation means less soreness and faster recovery after physical activity. Walnuts also contain magnesium, the mineral that balances calcium. While calcium makes muscles contract, magnesium helps them relax. Without this balance, your legs may feel stiff, restless, or easily fatigued. And here's something many people don't realize. Omega-3s improve circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients from your food actually reach your muscle fibers. So when paired with Greek yogurt's protein, walnuts act like the delivery team, making sure those nutrients get to where they're needed most. 3. Dates. Dates are like little energy packs from nature. They're sweet, but their sugar isn't empty. Alongside natural glucose and fructose, they come with potassium and iron. Potassium keeps your muscles contracting smoothly and prevents those dreaded nighttime leg cramps. Iron, on the other hand, is responsible for carrying oxygen in your blood. Without iron, your muscles starve for oxygen and fatigue sets in quickly. That's why people low in iron often feel out of breath after short walks or struggle with heavy, tired legs. Dates help correct that by supplying both energy and oxygen support. 4. Chia seeds. The chia seeds may be tiny, but they're mighty. When soaked, they form a gel-like coating that slows digestion. This means the nutrients, protein, omega-3s, and calcium are released gradually, keeping your energy stable. 2 tablespoons of chia give you around 4 grams of protein, plus calcium levels that rival dairy. They're also another excellent plant-based source of omega-3s. Combined with walnuts, this creates a double punch against inflammation. For leg strength, chia seeds act like a steady energy drip, ensuring your muscles don't just start strong but keep going throughout the day. Here's the fun part, putting it all together. Take 1 cup of Greek yogurt, chop up 2 to 3 dates, sprinkle in a handful of walnuts, and add a tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix it up and you've got a complete, muscle-nourishing meal in under 5 minutes. Strength smoothie. Blend Greek yogurt with pitted dates, a small handful of walnuts, chia seeds, and water or milk of your choice. The dates will naturally sweeten the drink while packing in potassium and iron. The secret isn't eating this once in a while, it's making it daily. Consistency is what allows your muscles to rebuild, recharge, and strengthen over time. When you eat this combination regularly, you're giving your legs every tool they need. Protein for muscle repair and growth. Calcium and magnesium for balanced contractions and relaxation. Omega-3s for circulation and reduced inflammation. Potassium to prevent cramps. Iron and B12 for oxygen delivery and nerve strength. The results? Stronger muscles, fewer cramps, more stamina, smoother balance, and greater mobility. You'll notice daily improvements, like standing comfortably while cooking, walking longer without fatigue, enjoying family dances without sore legs, and feeling confident on uneven ground. This combination of Greek yogurt, walnuts, dates, and chia seeds isn't just a recipe, it's a strategy for reclaiming energy, mobility, and independence. I challenge you, try this super combo every day for just 10 days. Notice how your legs feel when you're standing in line, when you're carrying groceries, or when you head out for your evening walk. Feel the difference in your balance, your stamina, and your confidence.